What time do you get up in the morning?
I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning.
What do you do after waking up?
I brush my teeth and wash my face after waking up.
What does your father do early in the morning?
My father goes for a morning walk.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat bread and eggs for breakfast.
When does your mother prepare breakfast?
My mother prepares breakfast at 7 o'clock.
What time do you take a shower?
I take a shower around 6:30.
How does your sister get ready for school?
She gets dressed quickly and packs her bag.
What do you wear to school?
I wear my school uniform every day.
When do you leave for school?
I leave for school at 7:30.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
What does your brother do in the morning?
My brother goes jogging in the park.
What do you do during the first period at school?
I study English during the first period.
When do you have your lunch break?
I have my lunch break at 1 o'clock.
Where do you eat your lunch?
I eat my lunch in the school cafeteria.
What do your teachers do after class?
They prepare lessons and check homework.
What time do you finish school?
I finish school at 2:30 in the afternoon.
How do you spend your time after school?
I play cricket with my friends.
What does your friend do after coming home?
He watches TV for a while.
When do you start doing your homework?
I start doing my homework at 5 o'clock.
What do you study in the evening?
I study math and English in the evening.
What time does your father return from work?
He returns home around 7 o'clock.
What does your mother do in the evening?
She cooks dinner for the family.
How does your family have dinner together?
We sit together and enjoy our meal while talking.
What time do you usually have dinner?
We usually have dinner at 8 o'clock.
What do you do after dinner?
I wash the dishes and relax.
What does your sister do after dinner?
She listens to music.
How do you relax at night?
I watch a short movie or read a book.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed around 10 o'clock.
What do you do before sleeping?
I check my phone and say my prayers.
What does your mother do before going to bed?
She watches the news and drinks tea.
How do you start your day?
I start my day with a glass of water.
What do your grandparents do in the morning?
They pray and read the newspaper.
How do you spend your weekends?
I spend my weekends cleaning my room and resting.
What do you do on Sunday morning?
I sleep a little longer on Sunday morning.
What time do you go to the gym?
I go to the gym at 6 in the evening.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 5 days a week.
What do you drink in the morning?
I drink a cup of tea in the morning.
How does your brother spend his afternoons?
He studies and plays video games.
What do you like doing after lunch?
I like taking a short nap after lunch.
What does your mother do in the afternoon?
She does household chores and rests.
What do you usually do before dinner?
I take a shower and help set the table.
How do you spend your evenings?
I spend my evenings studying or chatting with friends.
What time do you wake up on weekends?
I wake up around 8 o'clock on weekends.
How does your day start at work?
It starts with checking emails and planning tasks.
What do you do first when you reach the office?
I greet everyone and turn on my computer.
What time do you take your lunch break at work?
I take my lunch break around 1:30.
How do you commute to work?
I commute to work by motorcycle.
What do you do during your break time?
I drink tea and talk with colleagues.
What do you do when you get home from work?
I take a rest and have a snack.
How do you spend your nights?
I spend my nights watching YouTube or reading.
What does your friend do every morning?
He goes cycling with his friends.
What do you do after your shower?
I get dressed and comb my hair.
How does your day usually end?
It ends with prayer and quiet time.
What do you do before going to school?
I eat breakfast and check my homework.
How do your parents spend their mornings?
They prepare breakfast and read the newspaper.
What time does your class start?
My class starts at 8 o'clock.
What do you do when you come back from school?
I change my clothes and eat lunch.
How does your teacher start the lesson?
She greets us and writes the topic on the board.
What do you do during free time at school?
I talk to my friends and play games.
What do you usually do after finishing homework?
I watch TV or scroll through social media.
How do you prepare for bed?
I brush my teeth and turn off the lights.
What do you do when you feel tired?
I take a short nap or drink water.
How do you plan your daily tasks?
I make a to-do list in the morning.
What does your family do in the evening?
We talk and watch TV together.
What do you do to stay organized every day?
I keep my things in their proper place.
How does your day begin on weekdays?
It begins with getting ready for school or work.
What do you do if you wake up late?
I hurry up and skip breakfast sometimes.
What does your friend do after breakfast?
He goes straight to work.
How do you manage your time daily?
I follow a simple routine and avoid distractions.
What do you like doing after dinner?
I like walking outside for a few minutes.
What does your father do after dinner?
He reads a book or listens to the radio.
How do you prepare for the next day?
I pack my bag and plan tomorrow's schedule.
What do you usually read before bed?
I usually read short stories.
What does your sister do every morning?
She irons her clothes and gets ready for college.
How do you spend your lunch break at school?
I eat my food and play with my friends.
What do you do when you come home from school?
I take off my shoes and rest.
How does your friend spend his evenings?
He studies and chats online.
What do you do before going to work?
I eat breakfast and check the weather.
How does your boss start his day at work?
He holds a short meeting with the team.
What do you do during weekends at home?
I clean my room and watch movies.
How does your family spend Sunday evenings?
We go out for dinner together.
What do you do if you feel sleepy in the afternoon?
I drink coffee or take a short nap.
How do you stay active during the day?
I walk instead of using transport for short distances.
What does your brother do before sleeping?
He listens to songs and checks his phone.
What do you do after waking up late?
I rush to get ready quickly.
How does your morning routine look?
It starts with brushing, showering, and breakfast.
What do you do when you get free time?
I read or play games.
What does your friend do in the morning before work?
He drinks coffee and reads emails.
How do you spend your Saturday mornings?
I do laundry and tidy my room.
What do you like doing on Sunday evenings?
I like preparing for the new week.
What does your cousin do after waking up?
He checks messages and stretches.
How do you usually end your day?
I pray and switch off my phone.
What do you do when you feel bored in the evening?
I go for a walk outside.
How does your friend spend his mornings?
He reads the newspaper and exercises.
What do you do when you get hungry in the afternoon?
I eat some snacks or fruit.
How does your weekend routine differ from weekdays?
I wake up late and spend more time relaxing.
What do you do when you have extra time in the morning?
I listen to podcasts or study English.
How do you keep your mornings peaceful?
I avoid using my phone early in the morning.
What do you do every night before bed?
I plan my next day and set an alarm.
How does your day usually go?
It goes smoothly with study, work, and rest.